Hello, everyone. Today is Saturday. Today, the family goes to the supermarket. Tom looks around. Lily looks around too. There are many colors. There are many lights. Emma makes a list. She writes slowly. She writes apples. She writes bread. She writes milk. David takes his wallet. He puts it in his pocket. Tom wears his shoes. Lily wears her shoes. The family is ready. They leave the house. The family walks together. The weather is nice. Tom is talking. Lily is smiling. They see many people. They see many shops. Soon they arrive. They are at the supermarket. The door opens. The supermarket is. Tom looks around. Lily looks around too. There are many colors. There are many lights. They go to the fruit area. Emma sees apples. The apples are red. She puts apples in the basket. Tom sees bananas. He likes bananas. David takes bananas. He puts them in the cart. Lily sees oranges. She smiles. Emma takes oranges. They are happy. They walk to the food shelves. David takes bread. He checks the price. Emma takes milk. She takes 2 bottles. Tom sees cereal. He asks his mother. Emma says yes. Tom is happy. Lily sees chocolate. She points at it. Lily wants chocolate. She looks sad. Emma says, no. Lily feels unhappy. David talks softly. He smiles. He says, next time. Lily feels better. The family goes to the counter. The line is long. They wait quietly. Tom stands still. Lily holds Emma's hand. David looks. It is their turn. The cashier smiles. Emma smiles back. David pays the money. The cashier says, thank you. Emma says, thank you. They take the bags. The family leaves the supermarket. They walk home together. Tom is happy. Lily is calm. Emma feels good. David feels relaxed. They bought everything. It was a good day. This is a family. This is their day. Thank you for listening. See you next time.